hit the like button right now, or you get a spirit gun. Hit the subscribe button, cause we the one. And hit the notification bell and be one and done.
Okay.
Now I got 2 on.
Just go ahead.
And it had a gun too.
Do you take it?
Gun talk.
What are we watching? What are we doing today? Go ahead.
We're excited. I'm just saying, I'm your boy Comic, aka Dave. Well, Dave, aka Comic. This is Mark. I'm not gonna say his other name because that's wild. I just feel like it's crazy to say his other name. But we here. No, I'm good. I gave you the chance. You ain't say nothing. We here because we got another Chainsaw Man reaction. I know y'all like him. Hey man. Hey man, look. Hey, move, bro. Move, bro. Camera. He literally can't move his hand back without us seeing.
Am I touching you right now?
You literally can't move your hand back without people seeing where it's at.
Answer the question.
God damn. What is that?
I'm not touching you. My hand.
Not anymore. They're trying to get you. They're trying to deceive you. It's all types of lies and deception. Okay. All right. So I was playing around before, but for real, y'all, hit the like button. It helps us out in the algorithm. It pushes us forward. So that other people can see us too. You know what I'm saying? If you liked us, you know what I'm saying, other people might like us. So go ahead and hit that. Hit the subscription button so you can be notified of all of our content. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when we release, so you'll never miss a release. Without further ado, I'm just disturbed now. I already said we watching Chainsaw Man, but you was playing too much. Yeah, see, now you want to come back to life.
No, I'm just saying. Tell them how you feel about the episode. The one we saw.
It's cool. It's not like OD.
Okay.
I'm glad that thing is dead. I want to know if they survive being on the inside of that thing's stomach. Her and the cat.
That's what she said.
I don't think she said that. The context in which she would say that just freaked my brain up. And I don't want to say what it was. Ooh, that's crazy. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and watch this show. So let's get into it. Get into it, yeah.
Bud. Oh.
Why does it look like, like a bottle, a baby bottle? Like, why is she doing that?
Imagine you cow, you minding him, eating it from the back.
Yeah. Eat the.
Oh wow.
And she giving that bear top. That's crazy. She took his top off and gave him top. She topped the bear off. That's what. Never mind. I'm not gonna say that. That cat is literally scrawny. So what you been feeding this cat while you been eating on everything else? He probably got the most terrifying voice. You think she doesn't sweat? Imagine falling like that naked. Yeah.
One of her toes done.
You know that video you sent me?
Worried either.
Oh yeah, baby. Come here.
Bow, bow,
I've been really trying, baby. Right? Yeah. Let's get it on. Yeah, Denji. Yeah. That's funny. Crows are just eating demon parts. Like willy-nilly. They're just... Huh? What'd that say? You know what he came for. Yes! Yeah!
breast nipple.
So does he want to fondle with those?
No.
動けっか。
指も動く。
He don't got enough to deal with that. He don't. You can tell.
チェンソーが出ね
あんたでしょコウモリちゃん殺したの
Batty.
私の男だったのに
He's my man.
あ
He was hitting that.
らよく見ると
後ろのやつらは
殺す
Doesn't make any sense.
His legs is crazy.
じゃあ死にな
Oh, that dodge.
こんな戦えるのか。
Yeah, he blew all of it.
嘘でしょこんな子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの無謀だけど崇高で素敵な夢それを子犬程度にぶち壊され
胸揉む前に死ねっかよ。
くだらない低俗な欲望を持つ奴に殺されたものね
みんな俺にやること見下しやがってよ。復讐だな、家族守り。俺がてめえをぶっ殺したらよ、てめえの夢船飲むことになる。
声で可愛いわ
いいぜ、俺に夢バトルで勝ったらね。
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Put that mouth in.
いただきま
You see them lips?
It's about freaking time.
コン。
こいつは
That was very suggestive that a female voice has no.
ヒルの悪魔駆除確認。新人は生存者の救出保護と避難誘導。はい、お前の腕本当に悪魔みたいなやつだな。てめえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ。
Different, they control
デビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う。狐に食わせる契約だ。今回は皮膚を食わせた。はあ。上に報告すれば血の魔人もそれをかばったお前も処分される。だが死者も出なかったし、お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。守れるぜ。どうだ、分かったら返事。
安心してくれ。あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえし、しょぼい夢しかねえけどよ。
とりあえず敬語を覚えとけ。
おう、それも考えといてやるよ。
分かったらさっさとこれを外せ。本当にいいのかな。
俺たちはデビルハンターです。悪魔でも魔人でも使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。でも敵は敵。
I ain't gonna hold you. I need him to grab some titties before the end of this episode.
It's not gonna happen.
He deserves it. Put his life on the line for them things.
失礼します。そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、コウモリの悪魔と遭遇したそうです。デンジはチェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔
高くなった。
Okay. What does that mean?
デンジ
And he
君
was
と
willing to let
一
it
緒
go.
に住んでる影響かな。
俺は
This man looks like end of series Sasuke right now. It's always confused me. I never wash my face like that. I put hot water on a rag and then I wipe my face. But in television forever. Like, what is that?
I think that's how they wake themselves up, maybe. If they're like. Is that a morning ritual he's doing?
These shows make this show in particular has made doing regular things look so good. Yeah. Isn't that funny? He's never had food like that, so that's good to him. But it's just a bunch of stuff.
これやり
Yaddy.
んだよ悪魔
What was
か
that? 12? No, no, you don't get to do that. You don't break my door.
早川くんちの部屋一つとパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれるからね。
He's pissed.
なんで俺の家に
He's
やばい
pissed.
やつばかり集めるんですか
He's pissed. She's acting like a
私が早
4-year-old.
川くんを一番に信用しているから
Somebody
ね。
else was already too much. Now
俺の最強だぞ
The
いい風に生
contrast,
きるって言ってたから大丈夫だよ。
even with Denji there, it was cool.
野菜は嫌いだ。
忍者
Oh
野菜を投げ
my
るな
gosh.
てめえ野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえの
Oh my gosh.
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ
What's going on?
は先生じゃの
Look at his face. Look at it.
Can you imagine them going to your house and doing it? It's not even that she's a regular person with who understands toilets. She doesn't. Did I make
そう
sense?
流せねえのか悪魔は野
That?
菜も残すし
Pissed. Cause I gotta clean it?
おいクソ悪魔てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ あ
Uh-huh.
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから。揉め。
Wait, it didn't happen yet. Wait, it didn't happen yet. It hasn't happened yet.
It's gonna happen.
Getting too
It's
excited.
gonna happen. I believe in you, Denji. It's gonna happen. Watch.
It's an anime. You gotta
ほれどうした嬉しいじゃろ。揉め揉め。
Yeah? You really earn more than
ニャ
that.
ーコを助けたのが一揉み。コウモリを殺したので二揉み。るのは嘘だったんじゃが、ウヌの頑張りに報いての三揉み。
bro.
Do it for all of us.
Don't do this.
No, she's not. The producers, right quick. You mother. I can't believe that you guys would do something like that. Yes, I can. Every anime does. How dare you? How dare you? Okay? This was a shining achievement in Denji's eyes, and you took that away from us. Because now I know it's not gonna happen. Because now I know in the next episode it's definitely not.
It's not going to. If they do, that's a big surprise. But they killed the momentum of.
Next episode is dead. It's done. It's already over with.
Or they'll skip, but then show him doing it as a flashback. Occasionally throughout the episode, or what's it called? Opens the door and be like, what's going on? Or she, psych, you thought I'd ever let a dumb human like you?
Or something stupid's gonna happen, where he trips and falls or something, or he knocks something over, or a chainsaw come out, So now he can't do it.
Something's gonna happen. If he does get a little, then it's like,
Hey yo,
excelento, right?
hey yo. Hey, call the cops. Please. Call the cops, please.
I was just giving him an example.
I've been assaulted. Call the cops right now.
Just go ahead and
I don't feel safe.
wrap the show.
I don't feel safe.
Wrap the show.
I didn't consent to rapping anything. As a matter of fact, you're going to prison for a long time. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Please don't touch me there.
This is my no square. Why is that a song? Why is that a song? Like, who made that and was like,
Supposed to teach kids what the no-no squares are, so they know you're not supposed to touch me here. Depending on the gender, of course, right?
anyways, if you guys like the video, like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let us know what you think. The like button is most important for the algorithm. Subscription button is, for you, and then the notification bell is also for you, so that you don't ever miss nothing we drop. So help us out. It's free.
Yes, it would be.
And if you don't help us out, ying 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 on you. Change this.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Also, we will be doing skits. That'll be a new thing we'll be doing. We have some funny skits in mind. We're gonna get them all drawn up, written out, and what I'm saying, you'll see those soon. So that's the only announcement I think I have. But yeah, like we said before, hit the like button, subscribe. Also leave a comment. We would like to hear what you guys think. And yeah, stay tuned. Click on one of our older videos if you haven't seen it. Hit the like button on that. And yeah.
Shout out to gang. Ying 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 on them all. I'm gonna say that every time we watch Chainsaw Man.
Okay.
Game, where you at?
All right.
West Coast.
We're done.